Need to move your home or office? Don't want to worry about high costs, inefficient staff, or companies who aren't accredited? Move with peace of mind with our team of highly trained, not to mention caring, moving professionals. We've got a diligent group of packers, movers, loaders and more, ready to take your goods to where they need to be quickly, easily and safely. Our fleet is fully maintained, plus we're fully licensed and insured for your convenience. Need your stuff packaged to perfection? We'll even provide you with boxes, crates, bubble wrap, plastic, paper and more, keeping your precious items safe at all times. Rest assured that you'll be covered in the unlikely event of an incident. Our results speak for themselves, and you could be next. Why just relocate when you can move in the right direction? Call us today for your 100% free, no obligations quote. Let's get moving.